So we finally have something different with Android 15 based custom rooms. I have tried this one and this one is Derpfest OS. It is one of the only few custom rooms which was updated with Android 15 quite early, but it's been some time now when I tried this one, and after using it basically using it after some time, I found that we have some new changes in this one which other custom rooms does not have. So that's quite impressive. Let's have a quick look at some of the things. Firstly, if you take a look at the launcher, as expectedly now it's not giving you pixel launcher anymore. We have Derpfest launcher, so which means we have some customizations already. Also, this Derpfest launcher is now rethemed. I mean, if you are using Android 14, you will see some differences there. So it is now actually changed, something changed in this one. The layout is changed, the UI is changed, not a major thing, but it's still here. You can see some app drawer customizations there, only some of the useful ones. We have some options related to recents panel, although not all the features are present as compared to Android 14, but it's still good enough. If you take a look at the miscellaneous options, you will find the hidden and protected apps feature. So if you are looking forward to app lock with Android 15, it's here. You can use it with this launcher. Although it depends if you want to use this launcher or not. If you want to change the launcher, I don't think so you will be able to use the app lock anymore. This is the Derpfest launcher which you have, and if you take a look at the recents panel, this is what we have. Clear all option is there, and the Google Lens, and also the available memory. No other options yet so far like app pinning, etc., but we'll see that soon. Also, if you take a look at the wallpapers, you will see all the exclusive Derpfest wallpapers are already present in this case too. If you want to apply them, you can. These are already available for free and definitely without internet connection. The next one, which is one of the main highlights of using this one, is the parallel space. It's finally here. Parallel space is here, and yes, it's quite strange. Let me tell you one thing, parallel space is different from app cloning. It is already there with Android 14 based custom rooms. Parallel space is one of the only few things which is not present in all the rooms. Like app cloner is present for most of the custom rooms, but parallel space is different. You can create multiple instances of any Android app. Like in app cloning, for example, you have cloned one app, you can only make one. You cannot make 2, 3, 4, etc. But in this case, parallel space is different. It simply creates basically a work profile, you can say, and you can create up to 5 work profiles. And this is not it. You can see it is working perfectly fine because we are using Android 15, so we already have private space included. I will talk about that later on in the video, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Game space support is already here. It is available, it is working. So if you are into gaming and looking forward to game space, it's already here and you can use it on a device. Let me tell you one more thing. If you take a look at some of the customizations, unfortunately no major customizations are there, but still some useful ones. If you're able to notice, we have the option for custom monet theming. So you can use custom theme styles in case you want to explore something, you don't want to use a wallpaper based theming. We also have the option related to display saturation, and this is a very useful thing. You can customize the colors in your display and this looks good definitely. I mean, you can increase the value a bit to make it look like quite amazing one. It simply depends upon what type of user you are. We also have the option related to charging control in the battery section. Not exactly sure how many of you use this feature. Personally speaking, I don't use it much. But if you use it, then this feature is here for you to customize, to enhance some things basically. Take a look at the security and privacy options. You will find private space. That's what I was talking about previously. We already have the parallel space and we also have the private space. And that seems quite interesting one actually. Private space is basically a feature which is present with Android 15. But in this case, as we are using Android 15, private space is already here. But it also brings you the parallel space. So what could be the difference between parallel space and private space? Quite strange, and I will try to find it out and let you know for sure. Private space is working fine in this case because we are using a different launcher, as you can see. So yes, it's there, you can lock it, and it is working perfectly fine with Android 15 so far. Looking forward to circle to search because we do not have the pixel launcher. It is here, of course. It's not actually a circle to search thing. It simply search the screen on the Google Lens. Similar thing which you find in Rising OS, it's also present in this case too. If you take a look at the more security and privacy options, you will find the option named as Ignore Windows Secure Flags. So you can bypass the restriction in some of the apps where you can't take screenshots, but by enabling this one, you will be able to take the screenshots almost anywhere. So that's completely okay. These were the things just wanted to let you know. If you want to try it out on a device, it's available unofficially, officially for some of the devices. So links are there in the description. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.